You guys can sit down.
Oh, thanks.
Make yourself comfortable.
Ms. Frost, did you send it? Yes, they, okay, so whenever we're done, we'll print it off. Maybe, you know.
Did you hear Jim Murray say his son is in 10th grade?
I did. I remember when he was just a little,
Yeah, I remember like when he was 4, he started wrestling when he was 4, something like that. And I'm like, what? How?
yep. Yeah,
Time flies.
that's what we were just talking about, Detective Carmona,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
27.
No, yeah, this. I'm all one here. Oh, here you.
Don't make them sit with him.
Want to see what that's out like? Are you kidding me?
Just want to remind you, last time I was prosecuting a case here, the stalker came out. So
I was here for that. Yeah. You know, I didn't blame that guy for that comment.
All right, People versus James King Jr. Fellows, appearances, please.
we're selling that on behalf of the 34th District Court, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon to your staff. May it please the officer report. My name is Scott Wilson Perkins, the 55623, appearing on behalf of Mr. King. Mr. King, did you state your name?
Absolutely. Government, not James King.
Thank you, gentlemen. Have a seat. Just make yourself comfortable.
I'm here on standing.
That's, sorry.
After the court should acknowledge on record there was an in-camera conference with counsel for the respondent here today, respondent defendant, and on behalf of the court, and we believe we've come with a resolution. I've cleared it with the Office of the Wayne County Prosecutor, the representative is here today, along with the representative of the Airport Police Department. And the court is aware of the terms. If you'd like us to place what we understand would be a resolution on the record.
Please do.
Defense counsel's concurrence. We'd ask the court to continue the show cause for a reasonable date in the future, at which time we would ask the defendant respondent to purge himself of the contempt of court by coming with a plan to reimburse the people, the victim, and the Metro Airport Police Department in an amount somewhere in the area of $4,500 US currency to cover the cost of travel, the cost of lodging, the cost of the 4 hours of overtime for the police department for their extraneous involvement here. County prosecutors indicating that they'll be having to just accept nothing if justice is met, along with separate letters of apology to the police department and the prosecutor, and then one to the victim by the respondent, defendant, and his counsel may help him in preparing that. I understand the court's not going to require an apology, that purging him of the contempt of court is all the court requires from the date. I think that summarizes the agreement. Should it all be resolved, including a reasonable payment plan, we'll move to dismiss the charge next year to take charge.
May I?
Please.
Thank you. And we concur, in principle with everything that, Mr. Zelnick, brother counsel, has stated. I would ask, Your Honor, and I didn't project, really, we're only dealing with another month and a half of really work time in the rest of the year. If I could have the first week of January come back and any day that week to, well,
I can go see what's on the calendar or see what's.
you're the first day back.
We'll give you a date that's almost positive.
That's, that is, only thing I would ask is, I know the name of the complainant, and I want to know who, so if is it the entity, with respect to law enforcement. And the prosecutor, I'm assuming we would make it in the name of Wayne County Prosecutor care of.
I think that works.
That's acceptable.
Yeah. And I'm sure APA Moore can give you the name of the complainant. You got that?
Not that, I just want to make sure that we're rightful and true in our apology. So other than that, Your Honor, I believe, I appreciate the opportunity to speak in camera. I appreciate counsel coming in. Really, it was, and I like to acknowledge the fact that the bar does work together. You know, and this is one of the times that we do, and look forward to continuing to do.
Yep.
Good things.
So my,
Thing for the, Honor,
Sure.
not to belabor this, but if all that's prominent is a payment plan for the reimbursement and letters of apology, must we go that far out? I've always tried in my 48 years of practicing law, being a prosecutor and a defense counsel, to encourage comedy between all branches of government and with defense and prosecution. And we want to always continue to rehabilitate the image of attorneys. And this is a very minor matter. It's major in what happened that day. But sometimes an apology goes a lot further than anything else. And if Mr. Perkins gets it done, and he's very eloquent, he just ran for office, he knows how to put letters together with his clients. Clients are very adequate attorney. I don't know why we can't wrap it up sooner than that. We have a victim here who's going to have to continue to appear in the criminal case, and we should close this as expeditiously as possible. So if you have a date next year, and Mr. Perkins is ready in November, we're ready in November.
let me ask this. I would like, before we reconvene, whenever that is, I would like the reimbursements to have been made, not just a plan in place.
Absolutely.
So if Mr. King wants until the first week in January to make that happen, then I'll bump it that far. I don't know why we have to wait that long for apology letters. Yes.
That's just, for just a matter, it won't take that long, but I'd ask for 30, within 30 days, we could have at least.
I think that's reasonable. I think that's reasonable. Yeah.
To that extent, if we fulfill all the obligations, we can let the court know and maybe expedite.
We can always squeeze you in early, right? So here's what Heather just gave me. Heather, I was trying to listen with both ears, one to you and one to Mr. Zelek. Friday the 2nd, we could do that.
Beginning of January.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Well, you gotta make. I don't know.
When are you coming back?
So the next week is fine. I just know that.
So will you be back Monday the 5th?
How about Friday the 9th?
Okay.
Oh,
Fridays or.
Let's find something else.
On Friday.
And not unless I got something else
we'll
scheduled.
put out your docket date. I should be
We
back.
could do Thursday afternoon. no,
8th,
The 8th.
that's Thursday afternoon, the 8th?
Is it 1 p.m.?
Yes, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, anything else?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I want to just place on the record that the prosecutor is present. May I have her place her name on the record?
Yeah.
First, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Elizabeth Moore on behalf of the people, or I guess suppose, along with Mr. Zelenak. P 84724.
Thank you. Anything else? All right, I'm gonna go off record. Could I talk to Mr. King off record?